we're ready for part 4. Now we're ready to hem. And here's what we're gonna do. We are going to have our pants inside out, or wrong side out I should say, and we are going to fold and press, fold up 1/4 inch and press, and then we're gonna fold up again 1 inch and press, and then we are going to stitch all the way around. We will do that with both of the legs. So we've made 2 pairs of pajama pants. We have one in capri length and one in pant length. One with pockets, one without. One with a casing elastic waist and one with an attached elastic waist. Now it's up to you, all the options you pick, and additionally you could have a drawstring or you can add some trim to the hem of these pants. All the instructions in the tables are in the tutorial. Here's what I made. Check it out. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and sew along. You can join us online at 5outof4.com or on Instagram or Facebook or even Twitter. We're everywhere that you are. And we have a motto at 5 out of 4. Never stop sewing and never stop growing. So we hope that you will come along and you will join us at 5 out of 4. Bye.